Guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on Arbitrum. We're going to be going through this from a technical analysis perspective. Then we're going to be looking at some very important buying areas for this asset. And then after that, straight into three very, very interesting bull market predictions for this asset as well, to see how high we can go and how much money we can make from just simply getting involved with this asset now. Now, Arbitrum, yesterday we actually got into a paid trade. So over on the Patreon, the CC Gang Patreon, you can get trades. And also there's a free Bitcoin setup every day for free members. If you want to go join that there, you can. But yesterday, just wanted to touch on our free, nice little one-to-one position, which was worth around 2.24%. So well done to all the paid members who got involved with that. I think we're now 9 trades in a row. 9 successful trades in a row every single day. Amazing stuff, guys. Super happy with that. But that was yesterday. Let's talk about today. Now, Arbitrum, in terms of a very important level of support, is looking pretty good for a slight move to the downside. Now, the move that I will be referring to here is, you can clearly see there is levels of support coming through along this area. Very strong. But also, if we break this area, what happens usually is we dump down quite aggressively after losing that support. So that would imply, if we lose the 200 EMA here, there's going to be a move of around just under 1% there to the next level of support there, around 75.9. Now, if that doesn't happen, then we're going to be sat in this range, and we could potentially see a leg up to around 78.9. But if we do lose the 5-minute volume weighted ATR band and the 200 EMA, then I would expect a lovely move to the downside. More onto the macro scale for this asset, to be looking at potential DCA buying areas. And then once we're done with that, we are going to be going through to some bull market targets here, okay? Some very interesting bull market targets for this asset as well. Just getting rid of those indicators for a second, and let's sort of see what we're working with right now, okay? So on the daily, we've got highs coming through around $2.40. We're currently extremely low compared to those figures. The point that is catching my eye here is the potential for a breakout scenario here. This is a falling parallel channel, guys. Falling parallel channels, they do tend to usually break to the upside, okay? So when we do see a move to the upside here, this is where it can get really profitable here. We can potentially be looking for something along the lines of this in terms of a move, and you can see it's actually quite a clear-cut space here between the 55 MA and also the 200 EMA there. Now, obviously, we're not just blindly going to be going for 33%. We need to stagger our take profits throughout this position and be vigilant over very key levels here. And once we hit our first take profit, stop loss to entry, you guys know the score. Now, volume weighted ATR bands, because one of the most important things in trading is volume, average true range, and also just generally price action, okay? So breaking this trend, seeing that reversal to the upside, it's only natural that we're probably going to come up and test this lower high. The fact that the lower high of the current trend is quite a lot higher than the actual measure move here, it shows that we've got actually a really nice clean position lining up here for Arbitrum here, and overall it's looking pretty good for that trade there. Let's look at the quantum insight quickly to see what we're seeing here. You can see momentum super high here, so this is implying that we are going to see a bit more downside here, which implies that the scalp at the start of the video here is looking pretty strong there. I'm here on the daily, so usually when we see momentum to the upside like this, after seeing such a parabolic momentum change, momentum shift here, usually you see heavy resistance, okay, like we did see here, bang, heavy resistance to the downside. If you can line those up there, very strong here. So sort of what we're looking for here is that AI sort of signal for the arrow and the cross, and that will imply that we're going to be seeing some heavy downside from this area here, okay? But yeah, that would be the TA side of things done. Let's talk about some bull market targets that we can be plotting in for the next run. So obviously this asset doesn't look too favorable right now. Since launch, it's not been that great, but it's still technically in the top 100 coins, right? So it's still definitely got room for growth here, and in the next bull market, it's definitely going to see some light, in my opinion. Okay, there's good fundamentals behind it, but let's talk targets. Okay, so the first target for me would be the not the all-time high, but the high of the current run here back in January, and that is going to be $2.41. I probably would favor a target before that, actually, looking at it. I mean, I don't really want to put it too shyly here, but you know how we like to do it on this channel. We like to put 3 targets and then, sorry, 2 targets, and then the third target is the ambitious target. So we can just do that and just put the ambitious target at the all-time high. I'm happy doing that, guys. If we do see explosive growth here, then we're going to see the first target get us around a 2.3x. Second target will be around a 3x, and the third and final super cycle target will be set at around a 9.4x for Arbitrum. Let me know what you think in the comment section of these targets and whether you think they're achievable, and let me know what you think of this TA. Before we end this video, guys, I just want to talk to you about the Crypto Chester Patron. As you can see, we offer loads of different memberships here, and in these memberships, you get spot trading alerts, access to all the indicators. There's free ebooks in there with $1 million strategies for this next alt season that we're going to see. And also, if you're fully down to commit into your trading here, you can actually get the biggest package, which is $104, and that basically includes all 100% discount on all crypto masterclass courses and all other educational courses here for New Money Network, and also access to everything else as well. If you did just want to sign up as a free member, you can do that as well. By signing up as a free member, you will actually get access to 1 free Bitcoin trade per day, and then obviously on top of that, all the paid members will get their trading alerts coming through here, basically 3 paid trade setups, and on top of all the other indicators and strategies that we've got alerts going off in Telegram, and primarily hosted in Discord. Also in Discord, guys, if you want to join the Discord, you can. Every membership will give you access here, and essentially the Discord is amazing here, guys. We have early new projects here for you to get involved with, as well as giveaways, live TA, trading alerts, and also signals and all that good stuff as well. So yeah, if you want to get involved with that, you can. All the links are in the description for the Patreon memberships and also the Discord as well. Thank you ever so much for watching the video, guys. If you made it all the way to the end, make sure you comment Arbitrum in the comment section, and you'll be entered into a giveaway that we're running every single Friday on the channel. And essentially what we do, we spin the wheel, a crypto wheel, in the Discord channel. We spin the wheel, and whoever it lands on gets a proportion of a certain asset. Okay, you get the tokens sent directly to your wallet for free. If you made it to the end of the video, make sure you drop a comment, guys. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.